Hey guys, this is Mankpal from Gossipfunda, and in this video I'm going to tell you how you can use the sliding keyboard on your iPhone. So what is sliding keyboard? Let me show you with an example what the sliding keyboard does. I'm going to go ahead in the settings app of in the messages app of my iPhone. In the messages app, I can use the sliding keyboard to make sure that I can type faster on my iPhone. For example, if I want to use the option book, then you can see I can use my slider options to make sure that I can send these messages and type it on my keyboard of my iPhone. So what it practically does is that whenever you slide something on the iPhone, you can use the auto options to make sure that you are using the perfect word for the typing options. You can use grammatical errors, and you can also edit these options whenever you want to. So let us make sure how you can use this on your iPhone. By default, this will not be activated on the iPhone. How you can do this is by going to the settings app of your iPhone. In the settings app of your iPhone, go ahead to the Generals tab. In the Generals tab, go down to the keyboard section. In the keyboard section, you will find a bunch of different options from which you can use from. In the English tab, you will need to activate all these three tabs on the iPhone. First, you will need to activate the auto capitalization. Then you will need to activate the slide to type, and then delete slide to type word. This is an optional option that you can use to select or unselect as you wish to. You will need to use the slide to type option to make sure that you can use the slide to type option on the iPhone. Whenever I click off this option, you can see I will not be able to use slide to type on my iPhone. It would work as a current iPhone keyboard. I need to make sure that this is active, and then I can use the slide to type on the option. You will need to slide your finger on the app and make on the buttons that you want, and then you can use this grammatical box to edit the options on the iPhone. I hope you like this video. Subscribe to the Gossipfunda channel, and also check out the Gossipfunda website for more amazing content. Thank you.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, go.